So I think the best place to start is to talk about what the course isn't. It's not an installation course. There's some great manufacturers out there that run some courses for installing their various anchor systems. What this course is looking at covering is an understanding of how they need to be inspected and what they need to comply to in terms of standards. So the course is aimed at anybody that's inspecting systems, whether it's ladders, walkways, anchor systems on sites or on buildings. What we're looking to do is a deep dive into the standards around it on walkways, ladders, anchor systems, and showing people how they need to be inspected, and diving into the Australian standards. As an example, the AS 1657, which is the standard for ladders, walkways, and then you've also got the AS NZS standard 5532, which is it's a bit confusing because a lot of people look into that one, but that's more to do with manufacturers, so we have a look at that, along with diving into the AS 1891 standard, which covers single anchor installation and things like that. So it's more about what these systems need to comply to meet those standards. The nice thing about this course is it's endorsed by Harkin, Skylar Tech and Just Get It Done, three great companies who have put their name behind it. On completing the course, you will get a certificate of completion, which a lot of companies, those three being a prime example, are acknowledging as a great course to have attended.